Hi, I'm Mindy Sylvester and welcome to Lamorada. This is the lowest priced single family home in Lamorada. You'll be impressed the moment you enter this immaculate home. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath Maria floor plan is priced to sell and has been barely lived in. Some of the many features of this beautiful home are a chef's dream kitchen with gas stove, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, upgraded cabinetry, and a large pantry. The floor plan is open, spacious, efficient, and light and bright. You will love laying by your pool and enjoying the lake view and the Florida weather. La Mirada is the perfect place to live the Florida lifestyle you deserve and offers fabulous amenities such as state-of-the-art fitness center, tennis courts, pickleball, a lakeside resort-style pool, poolside restaurant, movie theater, library, and so much more. There are many great events such as a Sunday brunch, wine tastings, cooking classes, and more. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Call me today for more information.